Today we got a video from Bodycam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Walmart Shoplifter Right on the Spot.
Our sergeant told us to come, so he's on the other side. Hi man, how are you? You gonna mind walking up here with us real quick? Alright, go ahead and grab her arm. Let me see. So right now you are just being detained, okay? 6 and forward, 1026.
She better play it cool. If you a lady suspect, you don't want to run into a lady cop, boy. She gonna get you together.
So I keep going off to bed. No, you're good. You're good.
Why is everybody waiting for police?
I don't know. Probably because there was no in-talks person the other day. Alright, go and take a seat for us. Miss Bethany, you want to prosecute? Alright. Do you have an ID on you? No, ma'am. I'm going to take everything out of your pockets, okay?
Of course you ain't got an ID.
Stand up for me. Go ahead and make sure you don't have any whatever's on her. Take your face back off and all that fun stuff. I'm going to put this from you. Okay. And bag. Yeah, hold on 1 second. Okay. You just search her. Yeah, she hadn't done a shoplifting, so I was like, we were gonna go to the lady with no clothes on.
That'll be interesting to see what that is.
Yeah. But I wonder if they meant like no shirt physically, but she had a bra or something. You have what? Pockets down there.
Somebody stole her shirt.
Do you have anything in your bra? Okay, I'm gonna grab it and pull it, okay? Okay.
I'll turn around.
Go ahead and have a seat here for me. So like I said, she is in custody, so anything you're gonna ask her, make sure you're reading her hand, okay? Especially if it's anything about this case. I mean, she's got all kinds of stuff, so we're probably gonna want to ask about all of it.
So what do you have? You start handing me out of him.
Yeah, sorry, hold on.
She thought it was sweet.
She's Walmart bags.
Okay, I'm gonna read you something, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have a right to a lawyer. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. Even if you don't want a lawyer now and agree to talk with us, you can at any time change your mind and ask for a lawyer or stop talking with us. Do you understand each of these rights as I have explained to you? Having these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to us? Okay.
Got any questions?
Get this, and I'll give you a...
We gave it to him. Yep.
So,
Did you get her name?
What's your name?
H. H-A. S-E.
What's your birthday?
300.
What's a phone number for you?
So do I give you this one or?
Just give me your personal phone number.
Okay. 340.
we assume that you are barring Miss Stewart.
Yes. I think she's already.
You already barred from here? Sure.
Yeah.
So you're also gonna get criminal trespass. Do you want to start the barring over from today, though? Okay. And you got a warrant out of Clark County.
I got a warrant.
How? For shoplifting.
Shocker.
No, but I think today.
Somebody took a warrant out of you for a previous show.
Yeah, you got a warrant for shoplifting.
Judge signed.
Come on, man. Shocker. You got a warrant for shoplifting. It ain't worked the first time. It ain't gonna work this time. Listen, you might be able to get away with it one time. Maybe. But that's it. You're gonna eventually get caught. When you keep doing something over and over and over again, you are eventually going to get caught. If you got away with it the first time, you're lucky. Take your W and walk away. But if you're gonna keep doing things, you deserve what you got coming. But the thing is that these people never get anything for these type of charges. That's why they always happen.
So, if the judge signed it, that means like it's missing court or something.
No, so somebody probably saw it.
Up here.
So if they've caught you on video, and they call officers out here to do a report, and somebody recognizes you, they can go sign warrants on you, and then when we get out with you, that's when you're like, oh, you shoplifted on this day. You started.
So that just happens.
This is some other time. There's a warrant that was issued for your arrest.
So, did you hear that return?
Yeah.
You already got warrants for shoplifting.
Uh-huh.
10-4, we're clear.
So it was $22, Beth? Am I reading that correct?
$80.88. We don't do the tax.
Gotcha, okay. So $28.
But
I like her nails.
it will tell y'all, right?
What?
Whenever I go, well, not y'all, whenever I go, I have to ask somebody else, like when I get to jail.
Like where the warrant was from? I'm sure on the warrant, it'll say it on the warrant where, yeah. When they have to,
Okay.
you could ask them and they'll be able to tell you, we just don't know. Because I don't have the warrant in hand, they just tell us that you have it and that it's been confirmed, so. You can go look for it. Perfect, while you're out there, can you see if the criminal history's there yet?
Okay, so if I overheard y'all say, if it's after 3.
Yeah, have you been convicted of shoplifting before?
So he was saying convicted as in going to court
And they're saying you were guilty, yes.
I'm on probation for 1 right now. Just
Okay.
1 direct. The other one, I haven't went to court and taken any plea deal for.
Okay, so it has to be convictions. So that means, like you said, like you've pled to it. You said I'm guilty of this. If there's 3, you become a felon. It becomes a felony, even if it's 25 cents that you stole. Now, if you have 12 pending, you know what I mean. When you go to court, they could bump it to a felony. You know what I mean, like because you're a repeat offender at that point. But that'll be up to the solicitor's office and stuff like that, not us. So,
Okay, I'm
yeah, so we'll check it. We have a criminal.
In other words, you need to pick another profession because that's not working. That's not working. You getting caught every time. You got a conviction. You got something that's pending. You're continuing to do it. And I'm sure you're probably doing it at the same places. The Walmarts, the Targets, the Best Buys. It's like, come on, these people ain't wrapped too tight. I'm telling you, they got a couple of screws loose, man. You've been caught multiple times, but something is telling you to keep doing it. I don't understand it. Man, send her up the road for like 3 to 5 years. Facts, no probation. She not learning nothing. She gotta go up the road, man.
History, so that shows us everything that you've ever been arrested for, speeding ticket, anything. So we'll see if there's 3 or more convictions. This will be a felony today, and it'll be a felony charge. So what's gonna happen? Well, you're catching
a new charge.
2 more charges. Well, you're getting shoplifting again. You're getting the trespass. You're going on your warrant, which is gonna violate your probation. So, because you don't have a probation violation yet because of the fact that they just signed the warrant. So once they see that you've been in jail, they're going to violate your probation. So you'll probably end up sitting there too for that. If not, you might get out and then probably go right back for the probation violation. So it just depends on if your probation officer catches it.
What's the address here? What's the number?
What's it? 4375 Lexington. You have any kids or anything?
No, man.
Okay.
First one was December 12th. No, December 1st, 25 at TJ Maxx.
24.
Yes, 24.
December?
Signed.
So why-
TJ Maxx.
If it was December, why did my probation officer say nothing? I said,
You have
So
to
he just signed them on January
oh,
6th.
Okay.
Or maybe even.
Well, you didn't, but she
March
doesn't have
6th.
she doesn't have a probation violation, so
Where?
her
He signed
probation
them
doesn't
on March
Where were
6th.
you born?
After the
So they were signed on March 6th, a week ago.
So you have 3 warrants for shoplifting.
Well, 2 for shoplifting, 1 for the trespass.
So any convictions?
okay, I think it's
Two.
Sorry, can you step out there when she's doing this?
2 convictions?
2 previous convictions.
So actual convictions, but she's got like 12 pending. She said
has-
9 times here, at least.
What a dummy.
There you go, man. Thank you. All right, let's go ahead and get her out to the jail. We'll sign that when we get to the jail too. You ready?
Yep.
Who are these judges? Give her like 3 to 5. Or sit for 3 years.
All right, you don't have anything on you, right? We already searched her. Let me just double check. That note. Yep. All right, go ahead and take a seat for me. All right.
This is state court?
Yep, you put state court. Perfect. Can you grab that and get her?
Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna say something about that. So it could be the warrant from that. You see what I mean? It might not be a new warrant. It's probably just a warrant due to that situation. You see what I mean? No, tell her what you did. Accountability, right?
I was still in Walmart.
Come on. And she's barred from Walmart for stealing already. Come on. All right. DABR. Thank you. I just draw a blank. Oh, I'm sorry. Here's her stuff. Instead of getting her to sign this, you'll just write in custody here. Or you could wait until she's done and you can let her sign it when she takes her cuffs off.
Custody on it.
And then she said she was on probation. Does she not have a license?
No.
You don't have one at all? But you have, okay.
Wow. Unbelievable. Can't make this stuff up, man. People like that, they need to go. That might be the only way that they'll learn. If they got to go, because these short little stints, maybe she getting 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, probation, nothing like that, man. But if you got to spend 3 Christmases, 3 Thanksgivings, 3 birthdays, 3 of your mom's birthday, away from your family, now maybe it might click in. The only thing that I would say is that, luckily for her, she doesn't have kids, so maybe she could get it together before she actually starts having kids. We'll see. But right now, she's getting a whole bunch of misdemeanors, but she close to that felony. And once you get that felony, your options dramatically decrease of what you can do in this world, man. So but anyways, felony, man, makes it hard to do anything. Makes it hard for you to rent a decent place, makes it hard for you to get a decent job, you're done. So whatever. So I get a cops 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.